Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get a vibrant buttercream icing using just the normal food coloring, So you're going to start by mixing or beating your icing sugar and butter. Beat it so well that it loses the yellow coloring, the natural yellow coloring that came with it. Beat it for a long time so it loses the color and fades to, let's say, a creamy color, and then you go in with the color you want to use. Like me, I use this green gel coloring. Okay, so after adding your coloring and beating it for a while, you're going to get this vibrant green. And if it's not okay with you can go in with adding more of the color. Okay, there's nothing wrong with adding just a little amount of the color to get what you want. So after adding my color and getting exactly what I wanted, I went ahead to decorate and ice my cake. Okay, in this cake I made a football pitch for my son's birthday. My son's birthday was a football pitch, and the color came out nice and vibrant and everything that I wanted. Immediately beating your icing, you can keep it in the fridge for a while, or you go ahead with using it immediately. There's nothing wrong with using it immediately, or you can keep it for a while. Okay, so after that, voila, this is what I get. Okay, so I will show you in another video how I made this cake and how I iced it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.